Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Friday, August 10th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We have a small Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. I believe this is coming from Homer.CL. We shall see what's inside. And take advantage of the Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. Oh boy, here we go. This is coming. Yeah, definitely. Here we go. For Sonicare Philips brush handles. Nice. Alright, for your toothbrush, for your electric toothbrushes, companies down below. Title will be listed. And let's see what these look like. I think I got my Sonicare one. We might be able to use on these. But these are like the replacement brushes. Check them out, YouTubers. Good people. Talk to. Great company. Fast shipping. There we go. Got the Bristols. This is Ron Sit. Let me see if I got one. Hold on one sec. Actually, I don't have one on handy. But this is for the like Sonicare brushes and other few toothbrush. I tried using this one, but it does not fit unless I'm doing it wrong. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. The links are gonna be down below. So the Ron set, pretty nice Bristols. Go. So check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe and see you soon. See ya.